Hey guys, this is Mayra from the Rogers Public Library. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a caterpillar. I was inspired by the Very Hungry Caterpillar today. Okay, let's get started. You will need an egg carton, something to help you cut your egg carton, paint of your choice. I use acrylic paint, one pipe cleaner, and a pencil. Okay, so you will need to cut this top part because you will not need the top part. So then you will use the bottom piece and then you will cut it in half. So this is what you will need. This is the bottom piece. Okay? After that, you will need to paint it however you want. I made this one green and red, and then I painted this one rainbow. Okay, I will not paint it on camera because that will take a while. After you paint it, you will need to wait for it to dry. Okay, and that will take a little bit. Okay, after yours is dry, you will need your pipe cleaner. Okay, I'm going to cut mine in 2 small pieces. About this size, because this will be my antenna. Okay, now you grab your pencil and you're going to poke 2 holes, okay? Be careful. There we go. And then you will poke your pipe cleaner through. There you go. For this one, I'm actually going to bend the pipe cleaner a bit to have like a little curl effect. Like that. Okay? Then after that, you can paint eyes on your caterpillar. I found googly eyes, so I'm going to glue them on. There's the left eye. Now, a right eye. There we go. You do not have to use googly eyes. You guys can paint the eyes on. I just used googly eyes and I bent those pipe cleaners. And there you go. My other one does look different. I did not bend the pipe cleaners, but it still works. That will be all. If you guys make this craft, you guys should post a picture down below so I can see them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.